so dirty, guys. Can you see that?
Yeah, but this is a bubble I made out of slime. Oh no! Let's remake that bubble again. It broke. Hi guys! Welcome back to Kids Station. Today I'm unboxing a slime kit! And this is Elmer's slime kit! This is my most favorite slime kit and I'm unboxing this in this video. I'm so excited! So without further ado, you better look inside. Come on, let's check it out! Yeah! See what's inside the starter pack. Our instructions. One bottle of activator, another bottle of activator. Ooh, glitter glues. And one and two bottles of Elmer glue.
We can make.
These are the stuff we got from the slime starter pack.
Yeah.
Now let's begin making our slime. Let's add in one bottle of Elmer's glue.
Yeah.
Okay, put that in.
All of it.
That makes a piggy noise. Okay, let me just get all of that out. Did you get it? Yeah. Okay, stop right there. Let's just drip.
That's enough now.
Wow, look how transparent that is. Okay, I think we got every bit. Yeah, that we got. We got every single bit of that glue.
Now,
let's mix that up. Mix that up. Let's see how it. Wow. Looks like slime already. So what color shall we make of a slime, sister?
maybe try blue.
Okay, let me get out the blue glitter. Now let's add in some blue glitter. Why is this not opening? Right. I think okay, I think that's enough blue for now. Ooh, look at that opening blue. I think it could use a tiny bit extra.
Yeah, maybe. Look sparkly. It's getting so glittery. Maybe that is enough.
Yeah, I think it went more blue.
This thing is getting so
Okay, I can't get more. I'll just try. You mix that. Wow, that looks so cool.
maybe guys, right now, guys.
Yeah, it looks like
It's so glittery.
Yeah, it looks like sport. This reminds me of the sea.
This reminds me of the seawater. Like rooting the bees.
Yeah.
It reminds me of the bead water.
Okay, mix that up.
Maybe getting all glittery. How much glue we are using?
I'm gonna use the whole bottle of glue.
No, we gotta make it a whole black line.
Yeah, because this is our own.
Yeah. Wow!
I just love that.
It looks like seawater.
Now to make it like real slime, we add the magic liquid. So just open this. We'll have to add a little at a time. Now we'll add just a bit of alcohol. Mix. Now you mix it up. It's getting together. Stop it. Okay, now come here. Oh my gosh, it's getting together.
Whoa! This is so cool. Maybe I can make it with
Do it a little bit faster. Oh my gosh, look at it. Okay, let's just add a little more. Okay, that's enough.
It's tiny red slime.
I think you need to mix it some more. Yep.
And then we did turn the slime, guys.
Look at that.
Maybe we can use it.
You just need to scrape out all that.
Mix it all up. It turned like slime.
Look at that, guys. It reminds me of the ocean, eating ice cream at the beach.
Yeah.
It's getting so hard to mix. Just stir that up.
That is good.
Hey, this time. Just look at it.
It looks like the ocean amazing ice cream.
From that transparent liquid, look how far we came.
We can make two guys much if we want to.
Swirling it up like spaghetti. Wow, this is so stretchy.
I can't wait to use it.
Okay, let's see how it feels. It's very sticky. Yeah, this is optional. If your slime is too sticky, you can keep it in the fridge for 2 minutes.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Put a few drops of water into my slime before I put it in the fridge. You might have to put more drops of water if you need it, because the slime was too sticky, so I thought that might help. This is how our slime looks after we took it out of the fridge. That's so hard to get out. And it's kind of cold from the fridge.
Guys, this time she's gonna make a bubble out of slime. Can you believe that?
Hold that slime part. Move your hand. Oh, it popped out. Oh no, the bubbles. It broke.
Oh, it broke.
There you go.
Maybe we can make the tiny thing.
Here you go some slime. No, not slime, snake making. This is the best quality slime I've tried. So please try this at home. It's very easy. This kit, so you can make it any way you like. That's your option. You can add some things inside, like glitter. You can maybe put some things to make it decorative. So this is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoy. You'll find me and my sister on Instagram. I'll put the link down in the description box below. So please check that out. Subscribe and support us. See you in the next episode.